was just gifted these peanut butter and jelly to-go packs from Split Nutrition, and I am blown away. I've been looking for a better snack for myself and my family, and this is a huge save for me. Let me show you why. Instead of overly processed energy bars or worse, those bags of gummies, you can give your kids simple peanut butter and jelly spread in these to-go packs. And what's amazing about these is the ingredients are all super simple and easy to understand. It is non-GMO, and Split Nutrition is a US brand. So you're giving yourself and your family real ingredients with high protein that goes down deliciously. And you really do just give it a little knead, tear off the top, and then you can push it up and enjoy a fantastic snack on the go. As a mom, this is the solution I've been looking for. I have redone this video 3 times because I've gotten way too excited about this product. I am not making this up. This is a really fantastic idea. Instead of that soggy bread, instead of that energy bar, give them some PB&J on the go. Fantastic. Highly recommend.